Hello! We're down at the park again.
This is Daniel.
Sup?
Daniel has a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna put it down below, up there, round here somewhere. This is Darren. Darren doesn't have a YouTube channel. Poor Darren. Today we're gonna fly this thing, which is the 6S 5-inch Flosstyle with the hyperlite 2207 1722 kV micro eagle helio flight controller and the Speedix GS40, and we got a Lumineer stubby on the back, so it should be a good time.
Because Lumineers for life.
Lumineers for life, he says.
Sorry. Stubby antennas for life.
Stubby antennas. So yeah, if you don't want to break things, a stubby antenna can be a good idea.
That's the best idea.
The best idea, he says.
Yep.
So initially I was interested in the hyperlite because it weighs 90 grams dry or something like this for the 5-inch. 85. Fuck
And,
me, that's
yeah,
ridiculous.
99 for the 6-inch.
Yeah, so absurdly lightweight frame that will have a reversible top and bottom plate, which is nice. Not that I have any spares on me. Ridiculous bi arms that look like they're impossible to break. Some weaknesses that have been pointed out to me are the bottom plate, so if you're gonna, grind handrails and stuff like this, you may not have the best time.
We're not riding skateboards here.
Well, we could
Well,
be.
I am.
Oh, okay.
The other weakness that we've noticed is that the micro camera, if you have a dead-on hit, can basically just send it into oblivion.
Yeah,
You
like
can
I did.
custom make up your own TPU mount, so it'll sit the camera further back, but you lose a bit of range of motion. So there is that is an issue with it. I haven't flown this yet, so it'll be interesting to see how we go.
All up weight?
All up weight with the battery we did this today.
Yes.
What was it?
600.
613 grams or something like this with a 6S battery on it. So that's the all up weight, and it was 400, and that's with a GoPro on it and everything like this. So let's get to it then.